Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. Are you experiencing problems with the AfterPay application on your mobile device? If yes, here are some troubleshooting steps you can try. But before beginning, let me tell you what AfterPay app is. AfterPay is a popular buy now pay later service available in several countries. It allows you to split your purchase into smaller installments, typically spread over 4 payments. No matter how great the application is, you might go ahead and find times when you are not being able to use the application properly. So in that case, the first thing you'll need to do is to check your internet connection. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data and then see if it makes a difference. Sometimes a simple application restart can resolve minor glitches, so make sure to press and hold the power switch and tap on the restart button on your Android device or your iOS device. If you've turned off your device, simply go ahead and turn it on back again. Once you open up your device again, open up your AfterPay application to see if that fixes the issue. While trying to log into your AfterPay account, always make sure that you've entered your correct email and password. If you don't have a password access, you can also tap on I don't know my password link provided on the screen and follow through the instructions. If the problem still persists, the next thing to do is to consider updating your AfterPay application. Open up your Google Play Store and then go to the search box at the top. Type in AfterPay and search. Look for the AfterPay application in the search results and tap on the update button to download the latest version of AfterPay app on your device. If none of these above steps worked for you, then you can also try deleting your AfterPay application and reinstalling it again. Go through your app drawer and press and hold the AfterPay app. Tap on uninstall in the pop-up and tap on OK. Once you uninstall your AfterPay application, reinstall it again and see if that fixes the issue. So those were some of the fixes you could try out if your AfterPay application is not responding well using your Android device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.